In this video, I'm going to be walking you through step by step how to repost on Instagram. So lately, Instagram just released a new feature that allows you to repost different posts and videos, images on Instagram, just like on Twitter. So in order to do that, all you need to do is to head over to Instagram, and I have this post here which I'm going to try and repost. So in order to do that, you need to click on the third icon down below the post, which is like a double arrow sign. Once you click on it, the image will be reposted to your feed. So if I were to go back to my home feed by clicking on the bottom right corner of the screen, as you can see, when I reload it, you can see that the repost icon has appeared here. And when I click on it, you can see that the picture that I reposted earlier appears on my page. In order to delete it, all you need to do is to hold down on the picture and click delete repost. And just like that, the image has been deleted. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel for fire updates on everything tech.